Hey ladies and gentlemen, my name is Bernard. Today I'm going to show you how to check your NHIF status online. Subscribe, like and share. And for your information, at the end of this video, there's a bonus tip. So don't leave as yet. Let's get roaring. The first thing you need to do, you need to open your Google Chrome browser from your laptop. Then from the browser, type NHIF. Okay. Then you enter. These are the search results, and on the first result, which is NHIF National Hospital Insurance Fund, click on that. Okay. Fantastic. So next, you scroll down to this part here, and on the first icon written NHIF Self-Care Members Portal. Okay, click there. After clicking there, you get this dialog box asking you to enter your ID. So in the space provided there, okay, and I have typed my ID. Next, I will click on continue. After that, NHIF will send a one-time password or OTP to my mobile phone. So the next thing I am going to do is I am going to open my mobile phone, okay, to the messages, and on messages I'll check the message from NHIF where they have sent me the PIN. So I'm going to enter that PIN here. Then click on verify. Login successful. Alright, I have successfully logged into my NHIF account. And what do I want to check? My status. So on this left side of the screen on my hand, I'll click on status. From the status, I can see that I have found payments, I have no penalties, I have found payments, I have no penalties, I have no arrears, and my contributions are up to date up to November 2020 as per the recording of this video. I can also check my facility status. So click on facility. I get a green message that membership is current and contribution has been, payment is up to date, and this member is covered. Fantastic. Meaning that I can access health care and insurance cover anytime. You can also check whether all your dependents have been enlisted. So myself, I have my daughter, my wife, and two daughters and my wife, so they are enlisted. No one is missed out. This process, you can also change your facility. Okay, you can only change your facility if you have paid all your premiums. If you have not paid your premiums, then you may not have the opportunity to change your facility. So at this point, you come to select the county. Let's say we just say Nairobi. Okay, and in Nairobi you choose the facility you want. Let's say Kenyatta University Health Center. Okay, then this is facility level 3. It is a government hospital. Then you click on change facility. It will prompt you whether you want to to change your facility, but for now I'm not changing my facility, so I leave it at that. Okay, so you can cancel and go back. What if you want to check your online NHIF online status via your mobile? So just do this. Go to your mobile on Google Chrome, type NHIF. Okay, that's NHIF. So then on the first search results, tap on it if you're using Android phone. Fantastic. Then you go straight to the first icon, which is NHIF self-care. There we go. Then it is going to prompt you to give your ID number, which I'm going to enter my ID number. Then tap on continue. And it's going to send a one-time password to verify my account. So I am going to enter my password and verify. Verify. So my login is successful. Membership is current, contributions paid up to date, and this member is covered. So you can also check status, simple as that. Of the number of dependents, whether they are any penaulties and arrears, you can check them there, and your contributions. You can also change your facility if you want to by going to facilities. You can choose to change your facility the same way we did. You can by selecting the county, then say Nairobi, then I enter the preferred facility. You see Kenyatta. Kenyatta University Dispensary. Right, then level 2 facility category government. Then I change facility, but at the moment I'm not willing to change the facility, so I just close. All right, and basically, and also remember to log out if you're done. Go back to home. Then this, I'm just trying to show you how to, where you can get your M-Pesa payment information. Scroll down to this part here, written clients. Okay, at the client part you will see there how to check your account status via mobile phone, like SMS. So what you do is you enter to get your account status via mobile phone, compose a new SMS. So you go to your SMS application and type ID, you space, and then you enter you type your ID number like this. Okay, then you send that message to 21101. Okay, for M-Pesa payment procedure, to pay via mobile, follow these steps. 1, select the pay bill option on your M-Pesa, then enter this number 200222. Then your account number will be your national ID number. Then enter the amount to pay, maybe 500 if you're self-employed, and then enter your PIN, and after entering your PIN you confirm by clicking OK or tapping on OK. To know the transaction charges, maybe you are paying for more than 1 month, 2 months, 3 months going forward. If you pay more than above, you pay 500, it means that you will be charged 22 shillings via pay bill number. If you pay below that, if you pay slowly installment 100 shillings, maybe every week or every 2 weeks, I don't know, depending with your plan, you'll be charged 22 shillings. And if you pay for like 7 months, 3,500 in advance, you pay 33 shillings. And if you are employed, these are the premiums that you will be charged. If you earn 6,000 to 7,989, you will be charged 300. All the way to those who are being paid above 1,000, they are charged 1,700. So this is your gross salary. So from your gross income, NHIF will charge you this money. These are the premiums you're supposed to pay. Log out. And also, after all that, remember to go up here, go to your portal, click on this little image. All right, thank you very much for watching this video to this very end. It's my joy if you're able to follow this prompt and these instructions to successfully check your status and pay bill or pay for your monthly contributions to NHIF. Remember to subscribe. My name is Bernard. Thank you for attention. Goodbye.